In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to update your Instagram username. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, it's important to understand the difference between your Instagram username and your Instagram name. Your username is the unique handle that appears at the top of your profile, which can be found by tapping your icon in the bottom right corner. Below your profile picture, you'll see your Instagram name, which doesn't have to be unique like your username does. To change your username, tap on the Edit Profile button, which is located right under your bio and above your posts. From there, scroll down to the Username section. Here, you can edit both your username and your profile name if needed. For example, you can change your username to something like guide_around1. Once you've made your changes, tap Done in the top right corner. Instagram will check if the new username is available. If it is, your username will be updated. If you change your mind, you can revert to your original username within 14 days. So you have a bit of time to make up your mind if you want to go back to your old one. That's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.